Lesson 8. Wa and ga. Examples. Kore wa watashi no desu. This, mine, is. This is mine. Kore ga watashi no desu. This, mine, is. This is mine. This particular one is mine. There are two endings for a subject, wa and ga, of which wa is ordinarily used. Ga is used when the speaker wishes to put a particular emphasis on the subject, as, this is mine and not that. Or when he points out a particular one out of many. Note the following sentences. Kore wa anata no desu ka? Is this yours? Hai, kore wa watashi no desu. Yes, this is mine. In Lesson 7, strictly grammatical expressions are given, but in actual speech a corrupted form such as kore wa yoi desu is currently used. However, a student should begin with the strictly correct form. Kore ga anata no desu ka? Is this one yours? Hai, kore ga watashi no desu. Yes, this one is mine. Dore ga anata no desu ka? Which is yours? Kore wa watashi no desu. This one is mine. In negative expressions, wa is generally used, because there is usually no emphasis on the subject. Kore wa anata no de arimasen ka? Isn't this yours? Iie, kore wa watashi no de arimasen. No, this is not mine. Kore ga anata no desu ka? Is this one yours? Iie, kore wa watashi no de arimasen. No, this is not mine. The distinction between wa and ga is one of the subtleties of the Japanese language. Their correct usage is a measure of skill in the language, but it is not absolutely essential in the communication of ideas. Therefore, if it's difficult, do not let it trouble you. Simply remember that ga is a variation of wa, and because of its stronger tone gives particular emphasis to the subject to which it's attached. Key words. Wa, ending for a subject in ordinary statement. Ga, emphatic ending for a subject. Vocabulary. Dore is a pronoun for which or which one. Kono is adjective for this. Sono is an adjective for that. Enpitsu means pencil. Attention is called to the distinction between kono, sono, and kore, sore, because they are represented by the same English words, this and that. Kono and sono are always used with a noun, as kono hon or sono hon, this book or that book, but kore and sore are pronouns always used independently, as kore wa hon desu, this is a book. Exercises. Desu desu desu. Dore ga anata no enpitsu desu ka? Which is your pencil? Kore ga anata no enpitsu desu ka? Is this one your pencil? They all look the same. So desu, kore ga watashi no desu. Yes, this one is mine. You can tell by the nervous bite marks. Iie, kore wa watashi no enpitsu de arimasen. No, this is not my pencil. It smells more like your pencil. Kono hon wa taisetsu na hon desu ka? Is this book important? Kono hon ga taisetsu na hon desu ka? Is this the important book? How dare you question the importance of the Bible? So desu, kono hon ga taisetsu na hon desu. Yes, this book is the important book. Without it, you go to hell. Dore ga anata no taisetsu na hon desu ka? Which is your precious book? Kono hon ga sore desu. This book is it. Ah, chicken soup for the maniacal soul. Dore ga Smith-san desu ka? Which is Mr. Smith? All you foreigners look alike. Kono otoko ga Smith desu. This man is Smith. Anata wa Smith-san desu ka? Are you Mr. Smith? 'Cause this guy next to me, he's known to lie. Hai, watashi wa Smith desu. Yes, I'm Mr. Smith. Anata ga Smith-san desu ka? Are you sure you're Mr. Smith? Hai, watashi ga Smith desu. Yes, I, and no one else, am Smith. There's no one else on the planet named Smith but me. You'd think you would remember that. Iie, watashi wa Smith de arimasen. Kore ga Smith-san desu. No, I'm not Mr. Smith. This is Mr. Smith. I was totally joking.